In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading fee credits. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right down here to the bottom right-hand corner and tap on assets or the wallet icon. And from there, it's going to take you to a page with an overview of all of the assets or cryptos you have in your account. From here, you're going to tap on the asset you want to transfer into your Bitget wallet. For this example, I'll use Solana. Next, we're going to go down here to the bottom and tap on withdraw. And we're going to send via crypto network. Next, we have to fill out this information. And for that, we're going to open up and log into our Bitget wallet. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you over 6,000 in trading and welcome bonuses. So once you've logged into your Bitget wallet, you're going to see these options: rewards, futures, receive, earn, and more. We're going to tap on receive. And from here, since we want to deposit Solana into our Bitget wallet, we're going to look for Solana in the list. If you don't see it in the list, you can search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Solana. And this is your Solana deposit address for Bitget wallet. You can now either scan the QR code or you can just tap on these two squares next to your wallet address. Now we're going to go back into Binance. And right here where it says address, we're going to paste in the address we just copied. Now it should automatically select the network, but if it doesn't, you just tap on the arrow right here and select Solana network. Here, we're going to enter in the amount of Solana we want to transfer from Binance into our Bitget wallet. Down here, you're going to have the amount that you're going to receive, plus the network fee you're going to have to pay for the transaction. Once you've confirmed everything is right, tap on withdraw, confirm the transaction, and that's how to send crypto from Binance to Bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.